40 students graduated with credit and multiple distinctions from the Art Williams and Harry Wendt Aeronautical Engineering School. More in this Felicia Valenzuela report.
40 students on Monday graduated from the Art Williams and Harry Wendt Aeronautical Engineering School. Of the 40 graduates, 36 have already applied for their Guyana Civil Aviation Authority Aircraft Maintenance Engineer's license. Director of the school, Captain Malcolm Chanasu, highlighted the success rate of the institution. He noted that the school boasts of a higher than average pass rate, as most of the students who graduated on Monday afternoon graduated with merit credit and multiple distinctions. During her feature address, Minister Annette Ferguson stated that prior to 2015, Guyana's compliance in the area of civil aviation was below 50%. She, however, noted that since the current administration took office, it has ensured the much-needed changes were implemented.
The Guyana Civil Aviation Authority would have given their signal to us that they are ready for another validation, which should be done before December 2018 is through. And the Director General has assured me that after this validation is done, we should see Guyana moving from a mere 65 or 64.4% to close to 80%.
Only a month ago, the Civil Aviation Act was passed in the Parliament. The bill makes provisions for the enablement of the Chicago Convention and the agreement establishing the Caribbean Aviation Safety and Security Oversight System. Reporting for InfoHub, Felicia Valenzuela.